ass cop. He fucking crashed into the guy, and he's arresting the guy. Yo.
Go, Javi. Go record. Go to the corner. Hold on, I want to record too. Hey, you.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, fuck, I'm not getting in trouble for this. I know, bro. Yo, that's pretty much fucked up, bro. That's fucked up right there. That cop is fucked up.
What happened?
So we're coming out, and then the cop did a U-turn, like he was coming this way, and then he was turning that way.
Yeah.
And
Point the
he
camera there.
so like me and my cousin were coming out, and then Cam, he's like, oh, is he coming right here? And then he was turning, and then he did a U-turn, and this guy a U-turn, and then the guy was just going regular, and the cop, when he did the U-turn, he crashed into the back of the car, and then now he's arresting him.
Alright,
And like stupid as fuck.
let me see.
That pretty much fucked up the cop.